Today, we will talk about how to take care of potted orchids. Let's have a look at the details. Do you love the look of big and bright orchids in your home? If you want to grow these fresh flowers, orchids are really easy to keep as houseplants under the right conditions. Orchids have a few different requirements than other flowers you might grow at home, but we've got everything you need to know right here. Keep watching, and we'll cover all of the basic plant care for your orchids so they continue to grow and bloom for years to come. Place orchids in bright, indirect light. Indirect light prevents orchids from getting sun damaged. As a good rule of thumb, your orchids should be in light that's bright enough to easily read a small print book. If you have one available, set your pot of orchids on the sill of a north or east-facing window so it gets some light throughout the day without being directly in the sun. Water your orchids just before the potting mix dries out. Deep, infrequent waterings prevent your orchids' roots from rotting. Gently stick 1 or 2 fingers into the potting medium to test if it feels moist. If you don't feel any moisture on your fingers, pour lukewarm water into the potting medium until it runs out from the bottom of the pot. Let the pot drain completely. Fertilize orchids weekly in the spring and summer. Fertilizing your orchids helps them produce healthy blooms. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, such as 10-10-10 or 20-20-20, to give your orchids an equal mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Mix the fertilizer to quarter strength and apply it directly to the potting medium. When the plant stops producing flowers, then stop applying fertilizer. Orchids do best when they're kept between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, but they can handle temps a little cooler or warmer. Keep your thermostat set above 60 degrees Fahrenheit at night so your orchids don't get too cold. During the day, make sure the temperature doesn't go above 85 degrees Fahrenheit since it could cause your orchids to dry out and wilt. Provide gentle air circulation. Air circulation keeps orchids cool on hot days and dries out moisture. During the cooler spring and autumn months, open your windows to let in a gentle breeze. Otherwise, just turn on an overhead fan on a low setting or an oscillating fan directed away from the orchids to keep the air from getting stale or stagnant. Maintain a humidity between 40 to 60%. Orchids grow best in moderately humid conditions. Place a hygrometer near your pot of orchids to measure the humidity in your home. If the humidity is less than 40%, put a tray or saucer filled with pebbles and water underneath your plant so the water evaporates and increases the moisture in the air. Prune orchids stems once they finish flowering. Trimming off the old stems can help make your orchids rebloom. Use a clean pair of pruners or razor blade to trim your orchids. Look for signs of scale insects and mealybugs, such as sticky leaves and black, sooty mold near the flowers. Dip a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and apply it directly to stray insects to control them. If the bugs come back or if you have a larger infestation, apply a horticultural soap to the leaves to get rid of them. Check your orchid for signs of infection, like yellow, brown, or black spots of discoloration on the leaves. Removing infected foliage keeps the rest of your plant healthy. Keep orchids in pots with drainage holes. Orchids need good drainage so they don't develop root rot. Use a bark or moss-based potting mix. Bark and moss are fast-draining so your orchid doesn't get waterlogged. Repot orchids every 1 to 2 years. Repotting your orchids helps them produce healthy blooms each year. Wait until the later winter or early spring to repot your plants so they still bloom in the late summer or fall. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.